A very good afternoon to all. Last time we have seen a numerical on the Bezier curves, and that is the first numerical, and today I am going to start the second numerical on the Bezier curve. Okay, this numerical was asked in Mumbai University in December 17 for 8 marks. The question was asked the coordinate of a four data point P0, P1, P2 and P3, it's given over here, are the coordinate of that four data point is P0 is 2 2 0, 2 3 2 comma 3 comma 0, 3 comma 3 comma 0 and 3 comma 2 comma 0 respectively. Find the equation of the Bezier curve. This is the first question. Okay, find the equation of the Bezier curve and determine the coordinates of a point on the curve. Okay, for the parametric function of 0, 0 0.25, 0 0.5 and 0 0.75. Okay, so this is the question. What is our first step? First of all, we have first step are to extract the data from the question and write down in the solution first. Okay, the P0 having the coordinate 2 comma 2 comma 0, P1 having the coordinate 2 comma 3 comma 0, P2 having the coordinate 3 comma 3 comma 0, P3 having the coordinate 3 comma 2 comma 0. So in this case you will be observed that the value of z is always 0. So no need to worry about the z coordinate. Okay, only you have to take the consideration x coordinate and y coordinate. Next we are having the question asked in the first question, find the equation of the Bezier curve and the draw the parametric curve as well as find the points value of p of x, p of y with respect to the parametric function u, that is 0, 0 0.25, 0 0.5 and 0 0.75. In this case, we will find we are having a 4 control point, then degree of polynomial is 3 because of degree of polynomial always control points minus 1, that is equal to 3. 4 control point, the degree of polynomial is 3. You can find over there. You will get over here. Okay, next, a general equation of the Bezier curve. We all know the general equation of the Bezier curve, p of u, p 0 1 minus u whole cube plus 3p1 u 1 minus u whole square plus 3p2 u square 1 minus u plus p3 u cube. So this is the general equation of the Bezier curve. And from the general equation we will find out the p of x of u. Just we can put all the values of p of x of u. These are all values of p of x of u, and these are all the values of p of y of u. Okay, so we will put over here. We are having the four control point. According to that, we can write down the again general equation in the form of p of x of u. P of x of p of ox 1 minus u cube plus 3 1 p1 x u 1 minus u cube का whole square plus 3p2 x u square 1 minus u plus 3p3 x p3 x u cube. Okay, just I am going to put the values of this value. Okay, this value, this value and this value also from the above, from here. Okay, that is 2 2 3 3. Okay, you can see over here 2 is here and 3, no, it is again 2, p1 x is also 2, 2 3 is 6, here 3 3 3 is 9 and here again 2. No, it is not 2, it is actually 3, it is actually 3, I'm sorry, it is the little mistake is there. Okay, it is 3 u cube, 3 u cube. Okay, so this will be 2. I'm going to like open this bracket with respect to the 1 minus u raised to whole cube. So I will get 1 minus 3u plus 3u square minus u cube plus 6u. This is again I'm going to open a minus b whole square formula will applied over here, that is 1 minus 2u plus u square plus 9. This will be 9u square minus 9u cube plus 3u cube. Okay, I'm going to open this bracket applying this 2 inside and here also same thing. So I will get 2 minus 6u plus 6 square minus 2u cube plus 6u minus 2u square plus 6u cube plus 9u square minus 9u cube plus 3u cube. Okay, I am going to take all the degree same side. So here will be I am going to take the degree all the same side. This 2u cube from here. You can see the 2u cube with minus sign actually, with minus sign, 2u cube plus 6u cube plus 6u cube minus 9u cube minus 9u cube plus 3u cube. Okay, so here I am getting actually by mistake it is not writing the minus sign here. Okay, but you can see minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11, and minus 11 plus 9 is minus 2. Okay, so this is okay, minus 2u cube, and this will be plus 6u square from here, plus 6u square minus 9u square, minus 9u square from here, minus 12u square, minus 12u square. Okay, so it will be 6 plus 9 15 minus 12, it will be 3. Okay, after that we are having the parameter of u, so this will be minus 6u here from minus, as well as plus 6u from here. So this will be both are cancelled with each other, because minus 6 plus 6 will be 0, and only 2 is left, only 2 is left. Okay, so this is the first equation of p of x. So this is the first equation of p of s of u. Similar way we can find out the p of y of u also. Same thing here also, we can put the values of p of y 0, p of 1y, p of 2y, p of 3y, and similar way we can solve it, and we'll get the final equation here. Okay, we'll get the final equation. Similar way, as usual way we got the in p of x of u, same similar way you can do it over here also. You will get the p of y of u. And this is the first part is over, that is find out the Bezier parametric Bezier equation. The second part, find out the points on the curve for u equal to 0, 0 0.25, 0 0.5, 0 0.75. So from the 1 and 2 we are having the ps of u, p of y of u. Both the equation I can write down over here, and just you have to put all the values of u in the first and second equation. You will get the p of x of u, p of y of u. Once I'll put the u 0, this all quantity will be 0, 2 will be the value. 0.25 I'll get this value, 0.5 I'll get this value, 0.75 I'll get this value. Okay, and the last step of this numerical, just you have to draw this all points on the curve. Okay, I am taking here 2.2 comma 2 is the origin, it is 2 comma 2 is origin, and after that I have located all this point 2.156, 2.1, 2.563 at this point. This again 0.5 you can write down also here. This is if possible, this is u equal to 0 here, u equal to 0.25, u equal to 0.5, u equal to 0.75, and after that I connect all this point to get this kind of curve. So this is the final steps of this question. So this is very easy. Once you understood this kind of problem, this kind of similar problem with the different numerical values, as well as a few things they have add in the final semester examination, they ask in the final exam. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me. Okay, we'll see in the next session. Thank you very much.